Welcome back, students. 120 days Optima plan for prelims 2023. Today we're going to discuss the concept from percentage. Day 19. Start doing this. Okay. In this question, look at this. P is equal to 40 percentage of A plus 65% of B. So from this information, I don't know what is the value of A and B. If I know the value of A, I can take 40%, right? Okay, and next statement they are talking about Q. In Q, it is 50% of again A and 50% of B. We need to take sum, right? Where A is greater than B. Okay, so A is greater than B. In this context, which of the following statement is correct? P is greater than Q, P is greater than P, Q is greater than P, and P is equal to Q. If you want to know P value and Q value, we need to know A value and B value, because here 40 and here it was 50. Here 65 and 50. This is greater value. Here this is greater value. So I can't able to get the right answer without knowing A and B. If I know A and B, I can predict the values. Without knowing that, it is not possible. So option D, none of the above can be concluded with certainty. It's the right answer. Right. Next, start. Okay. Look at this question. In a city, 12% of households earns less than 30,000 per year. 6% households earn more than 2 lakhs per year. 22% households earn more than 1 lakh per year, and 990 households earn between 30,000 and 1 lakh per year. How many households earn between 1 lakh and 2 lakh? That's what I need to find. So I need to first write one by one statement. So rupees 0 to rupees 30,000. Okay, first we will write this. That is 12%. Is it right? 12%. Next, rupees 30,000 to rupees 1 lakh is, that is given in numbers, 990. Okay, right. Next, rupees 1 lakh to rupees 2 lakh. 1 lakh to 2 lakh, that is, look at this, 22% above 1 lakh. Okay, more than 1 lakh is 22%. Okay, and 6% above 2 lakh. Above 2 lakh is 6%. I need to take difference, right? Because I need to know up to only 2 lakhs, not more than 2 lakhs. This is more than 2 lakhs, 6%. So 22 minus 6 is 16%. Is it right? Then, as usual, rupees 2 lakh and more. 2 lakh and more is 6%. Correct. So now I need to know percent of people from rupees 30,000 to 1 lakh. 30,000 to 1 lakh percentage is, see, out of 100 I need to subtract, okay, 12%, that is less than 30. Okay, then 16%, that is more than 1 lakh, plus 1/6, that is more than 2 lakh. Okay, so 100 minus these numbers are 66%. So up to only 30,000 to 1 lakh is 66%. I hope you guys understand this. I am excluding everything. 0 to 30,000, 12%. More than 1 lakh is 16%, and more than 2 lakh is 6%. So I subtract everything. Now I got 30,000 to 1 lakh. Okay, so because 30,000 to 1 lakh only I got number. Okay, so this is 66%. That is why I found this. Okay, so now look at this. The only given data is 990. So 66% is equal to 990. I need to find 100% people is what? Right? So 100% is nothing but 1500. Okay, if total is 1500, I need to find from 1 lakh to 2 lakh, that is 16%. 16% is equal to what? Cross multiply this. Right? So you will get 240 as the answer. This is the right answer. 240. Is it clear? Okay, next question. Start doing this. Okay, so in this question we need to understand one thing clearly, that is, there is a milk sample with 50% water in it. Okay, let's take a jar. Okay, I take a jar of water, 50%. That means let's take 50% of milk and 50% of water. Correct? 50%. If 1/3 of the milk is added, clearly please listen this, 1/3 of the milk is added to equal amount of pure milk. Okay, so 1/3 means I will split this into 3 equal parts. Okay, out of 3 this is 1/3, and this is 1/3, this is 1 part, and out of 3 this is 1 part. Okay, I get split into 1/3. Okay, now I'm going to add milk to equal amount of pure milk, right? That's what the concept. So now see, again I'm going to take this part, this 1 part, and add here. Okay, if I add here in this one part, 50% will be milk and remaining 50% will be water. Correct? Because that is a mixture. 50% will be milk and 50% will be water. Okay. And there is a remaining thing. Okay. So now I need to find out the answer for this. So initially it was 1/3. Now from the 4 part, only 1 part is water. This is pure milk. Okay, already it was pure milk. I am going to take 1 part out of 3 parts here. Okay, so this is the mixture. So 3 parts plus 1 part. Look at this. This is milk and here only 1 part is water. So out of 4 parts, only 1 part is water. So it becomes 25%. This is the understanding of this concept. And if you want to solve this in as a problem, okay, already it was 1/3, 1/3. Now what I am going to do is from the 1/3, half is milk and half is water. So let's take out of 1/3 into half of milk. Okay, half is milk in 1/3. Correct? Okay. So now 1/3 into 1/2 is nothing but 1/6. So initially it was 1/6. That is, this is what that concept 1/6, right? So now in this 1/6, I am going to mix 1/3 part of milk. Okay, already it was a 1/3 equal amount of pure milk. So here already it was 1/3. So 1/6 over 1/6 over 2 by, look at this, 1/3 plus 1/3 is nothing but 2/3, 2 over 3. So I can write 1/6 into 3/2. What is that? 3/12. That is nothing but 1/4. 1/4 means it was 25%. That's what the right answer. Is it clear? So either there is half but split into 3 parts, 1/3. Okay, that's what the concept. Next question. Start doing this. Okay, right. So next one is, when we had an equation like this, x percentage of x is equal to 25. So now just take x by 100, write it in an equation. This is the easiest way comparing to the other things. So just write it in equation. So x into x is x square by 100 is equal to 25. X square is equal to 2500, right? So x square is equal to 2500, x is equal to 50. That's it. So your answer is 50. Is it clear? Next question. Start doing this. Okay, this question, 8 percentage of x is equal to 4 percentage of y. I know that 2x is equal to, look at this, directly I want you guys should write 2x is equal to 1y. X by y is equal to 1 by 2. I want this, but how we got this? Directly I want you guys to write like this, but how I write like this means 8 over 100 into x is equal to 4 over 100 into y. So automatically what will happen? 100 getting cancelled, right? And 8 and 4 getting cancelled, so it will be 2:1. So 2x is equal to 1y. So that's what I write here. 2x is equal to 1y means 1 by x by y is equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 1, y equal to 2. Right now, 20% of x, let's take, see, x is to y. 1 is to 2. I can write 100 is to 200. For my convenience, I can write like this. Okay. Let's take x is equal to 100. Okay. 20% of 100 is 20. Okay, now the question is, according to y, it is what? Y is 200. Y is 200. What percentage of 200 is equal to 20? This is what the question. I got 20. This 20 is what percent of y? Y is, we take 200, right? So according to 200, 20 is what? 10 percentage is 20. Right, so 10% of y is the answer. Is it clear? So these things are no needed. Directly you can write this, okay, and only these two steps you will get the right answer. So prelims Optima 2023, conducting so many concepts, 120 days study plan, 1.5 years Optima current affair notes, 12 months prelims power play compilation, monthly current affair test, and so on. Interested students, you can participate in the given Telegram number. All the very best, guys. Meet you in the next topic. Thank you. Take care and bye.